Hey, it's Anna here from Studio Bressi. Pinterest can be such an amazing source of website traffic, so today I'm going to show you how you can enable your Pinterest save buttons on your Squarespace website. On our main dashboard navigation, we'll go to our settings, and under the first tab, Website, we'll find Pinterest Save button. Here you can enable it either for blogs or for blogs, pages, and products. You can choose the size of your buttons and the shape, so between rectangle or circle, and then make sure to save your settings. Now if I refresh my page, you'll be able to see pin buttons appear as I hover over an image. Also keep in mind that if you have image effects on your image blocks, the pin button will not work on those. So as you can see here, the left and the right one do not display the pin button, but the center one, without any moving effects, you can easily pin. Now have fun pinning to your Pinterest boards. And if you have any questions at all, drop them in the comments or get in touch. I'm always happy to help.